Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and isolating the screen so you don't spread debris. This reduces risk. Next, clean thoroughly with a microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl to remove oils that hide scratches. Once done, test a tiny corner using a cotton swab and a light abrasive compound in 0.5 cm circular strokes. You're checking how the coating reacts. Make sure to use gentle pressure. Too hard removes coatings rather than smoothing scratches. You now apply a small, pea-sized amount of cerium oxide or a screen-safe polish to a felt pad or clean cloth. Work in slow, controlled circular motions for 30 to 60 seconds per scratch, keeping the pad flat to avoid edge wear. After polishing, wipe away residue with a clean microfiber and inspect under angled light to judge progress. If the scratch softens, repeat in short cycles, because gradual removal preserves the screen's coating and avoids overheating the glass. You finish by cleaning the screen with distilled water and a microfiber cloth, then apply a high-quality screen protector to mask minor imperfections and prevent future damage. If a deep gouge persists after careful polishing, stop and seek professional glass replacement. Continued abrasion will worsen it. If you notice hazing or streaks, remove all polish residue with distilled water, dry thoroughly, and reassess. If hazing remains, professional restoration is the safe next step to avoid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.